Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Deer Slayer TV. So as promised, we did 13 weeks of Deer Slayer TV leading up to this Christmas Eve here in 2018. And we got my buddies, Derrik, Brennan, and Elliott Sheriff here. They're going to cap on their hunt in Missouri this year. And I do want to let you guys know that moving into 2019, that we're going to get away from just doing these structured weekly webisodes, and we're actually going to be starting to air more content throughout the year. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube page if you have not done that yet, and be prepared for lots of good content coming your way.
I'm Chip.
I am Dale.
All right, and these guys are a little special, but Derrik, Dale, excuse me, you're going to lead off this week's episode here with your buck hunt in Missouri. So
yeah, it was pretty crazy. It was actually a lot of fun. We went out in September, did a lot of scouting with the guys, and everybody out there together was just a fun time. And having Elliott with me for the filming, he actually shot a buck 2 days before I did, so I said, hey, you're not sleeping in, you're coming out and filming. So he came out and got it done. Chip.
I don't know what to say.
It's all right. We'll show that. He'll show the hunt here.
I don't even know what time it is. It's gotta be 9:30 maybe. Second day of the season. In Fordo. Look up and there's two guys walking directly at us. No camo, just full orange. Walk. I could have killed them with my bow. And they're walking directly into the private, so not real sure on where they're going. But hopefully they sit down somewhere. Yeah, baby. Well, it's what, Sunday? Is it Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
Sunday, I don't even know maybe the 11th, November 11th, I think. I've been here for a week and a half. Actually, this is going on our second week. Last week was all bow. Seen, I think, 2 shooters, 2 good bucks in the last week and a half. And I just got tired of like passing these deer. And I said, the first legal deer I see today, he's gonna get the 30-06. Well, look right here. Came in, Elliott said, get your gun ready, there's a buck coming in. So I grabbed the rifle, put it on him, hit him right, I think in the chest the first shot. He came right at me. And one of my buddies, Colby, says just keep shooting him till they drop. So shot him 2 more times and he actually ended up dying, I don't know, 30 yards from us. So we're gonna hop down and long hike out, but plenty worth it.
Yeah, that's a junk.
There's a hog of a deer. Look how big the body is. Well, we got out of the tree, got him gutted up. I think it's 1 o'clock, so we got a 1.5 miles out. Not going to be the easiest deer to get out. It's actually a pretty big body deer, so we're actually going to do the Indian style. Going to grab a log, tie his legs up, hike him out of here, We got another whole week here yet. Hopefully the boys at camp are getting into some rut action. We're going to get some doe tags, I think, tomorrow. Go to a property that we're actually allowed to kill some does, and just have fun with the rest of the week. It's been, the amount of ups and downs this week have been just insane. Come in here and just get polluted with hunters. But, you know, we made it work. We put a lot of hard work into this week, and to make this happen, there's not a better feeling. Whether this is a 100-inch deer, 140-inch deer, 160-inch, it doesn't matter. It's more than any size of deer. You put the amount of work and effort we did into it, nothing feels better than this. So we're gonna get them out of here and celebrate tonight for sure.
Talk about a fun hunt.
Yeah, it was a crazy last week and a half out there. I mean, the struggles on public land itself is hard enough, and then when you're out there and you're seeing, you know, bucks at the caliber that we were seeing compared to here at home, it was very rewarding.
Especially after our archery season that we had out there, just running into guys left and right, and it was 3 days of just nothing but constant rain and wind. And
the other thing is, like, when you're out there, it's like, you know, it's not an area that we're used to. I mean, we were out there scouting. I mean, there were days that we didn't even hunt. We scouted 6-7 hour days, just driving to different properties.
Trying to get away from all the hunting pressure and seeing what else was out there. We're new to the area, so gonna be ready for next year. I think we got some other areas to check out and see how things go.
Yeah, it was definitely a fun time though. Having the guys out there, you know, going out and coming back to camp, you know, seeing what the other guys were seeing. Lenny, Colby, his dad, his uncle, and every day we'd come back, we're thinking, oh, they're gonna have one hanging, and sure enough, they were very successful out there on their lease, and it was just a trip of a lifetime, really, just out there with the guys and seeing new places. It was a lot of fun.
It was definitely the hardest I've ever hunted in my life.
Yeah,
I was going out for
fun.
2 weeks to do nothing but hunt.
Yep.
Well, now that we both have our buck tags filled, I think it was Monday. We took a day off hunting to hang out at camp and clean up and just have some fun. So we went in and bought some doe tags at the local gas station there. It's pretty nice. You can buy them over the counter out there.
Nice?
Definitely not like Pennsylvania. Yeah, we decided to just have fun with it for the day.
I was behind the camera, took Elliott. Well, I didn't take him out. We were both out there on a new property, and I had the camera, he had the gun, and the cinematography that you're about to watch is something special.
Hope you guys enjoy it.
Bam.
It's today Tuesday. Well, it's Tuesday evening. Got Chip here with me, filming, trying to kill a doe on film. Both tagged out on some mega giant whitetails on the public. What in the hell are you doing, Chip? What is that? I'm getting my swipes. What are you doing? I gotta get some action out here other than bucks. You better get on some leases or some private land. Line them up. Trying to get on land. Gee whiz. Well, it's Tuesday, November 13th. Hunting a different property that we have been. This is the only property in the area that we're hunting that you can shoot does at, so we have 2 doe tags, me and Dale here. Can hopefully see some deer moving through this thicket. It's looks like an old clear cut. I actually sat here a couple nights ago with the bow. Hunting not too far from our buddy's lease, so hopefully we can catch one slipping up. Hopefully we can get one to meet its maker and just put a beat down on him.
It's Tuesday, November 13th, out here rifle hunting. Saturday was the gun opener here in Missouri. I got my buck tag filled, and then went out Sunday. Stop, there's a deer right here. I got it, that's right here. There we go, there's deer. Can you see her? Do it. What happened? Did I miss? It's not a deer. Huh? That's not a deer. Oh my God. What? Look at the scope. Is it a deer? Yeah, it's a deer. Shoot the damn thing. Shoot it. You missed it. It's looking away from me now. Shoot it. It's right there. I'm shooting her. No, I got it, buddy. There it is. Yeah, you hit her there. She's dead. She's dead. What? How can I start that up? Here we are, not even 15 minutes into our evening hunt. Our first doe hunt. We're both tagged out with bucks. We decided, screw it, we're out here for the week, so we're gonna get doe tags. And we get set up, and we're doing a little pre-hunt interview, and he stops me. Here comes this doe right up the trail. So I pull up, use the bottom of his platform as a rest. That's all she wrote. That is amazing.
Oh my God. And then we said, is it a deer?
I didn't even know it was a deer.
Let's sit here till dark.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
That thing is a hammer doe.
Oh man, I love it out here.
Well, I just looked at the footage of our excellent Dale and Chip hunting experience yet again. And where I'm sitting, I could see the deer from my point of view, but I couldn't get the camera completely on it. And I mean, we were doing an interview. She had to know something was up. And Elliott shoots, and the deer did nothing. I wasn't watching the camera. I threw the camera like in the direction of the deer, but I had a big red oak tree in my way, and we're giggling, having like losing it, not thinking it's even a deer at this point. And I saw it move. I'm like, okay. And I got the gun on her. I mean, he drilled her, but it's just so thick in here I couldn't get the camera on her. But it's 2:30. I think we were set up for 10 minutes, not even 10, 15 minutes. And I mean, she's laying no more than 60 yards from us, so we're gonna sit for just another hour, and then we're gonna go get her. But this is unbelievable.
It's a great day out here. Talk about a fun hunt. This is what it's all about. Probably the best last couple of days I've ever had in the woods. Well, Chip and Dale here, doing a little doe patrol for the farmers around the area. They're about sick and tired of these does eating all the crops. So, Dale, why don't you tell them a little bit about what just happened? I'm mind blown, to be honest with you.
Well, I mean, what really have just happened is, you know, we all shot, Chip and I, we've shot some mega giant whitetails out here with the rifles, and we said, you know what, we're gonna go out and we're gonna drink some beer all week long. So we didn't hunt one morning. We snuck in here at about 2 o'clock, got in the stand by, we'll say 2 o'clock, and we're just trying to do a little interview, let y'all know what's going on, saying, hey, we're shaking. And in the middle of it, I see a whitetail coming right up the road. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me.
I mean, what
Chip.
was she thinking?
Chip's got to be thinking I'm crazy. I am crazy, but
Part neither.
he goes, where's it at? And we shoot, and I'll tell you what, that sucker didn't run. Hell, I bet you 30 yards. And just stick around with us. We're going to do another product review. Last week was a 257 Roberts.
Hell, let's just do it right now.
You know what, Dale? Damn it, Chip.
We're going
We're gonna do a product review right now. Chip, what you got
son
there?
of a gun right here is the Ruger M77 308. And just like the 257 Roberts, it puts a smack down on them every time. I swear they stop breathing before I pull the trigger. If you don't have one, you better get you one. Because I see these guys on TV missing all the time, and ain't no miss here.
What do you say?
Just got out of stand, gonna go look for her.
We were sitting right there. She's coming up this road here. She shouldn't be more than 40, 50 yards down here. Oh yeah, she can't be far.
There she is. Fuck up.
How about it?
She's a good one.
Yeah, she didn't run 20 yards. Heck yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, we came out here for a doe hunt, and we're gonna sit the whole evening, but we got in the tree about 2 o'clock, and finally just got set up, and in walks this big doe, and we put a good shot on her. She didn't run too far. We just found her, and we're gonna go ahead and gut her, get her cleaned up, and start dragging. You're watching Deer Slayer TV.
Well,
I'm Chip.
I'm Dale. We just finished up our Missouri trip.
Boy, was that fun.
Oh boy, we beat them up, man.
Put the smack down on them.
I mean, just deer after deer, just
Everywhere.
experience after experience, and just had a true fun trip out there. I mean,
Just some good old boys beating up the bucks, beating up the does, filling the freezers.
now it's time to come back home, head upstate for the last
Gonna
2-3 days of the rifle season.
Pennsylvania, northern Potter County woods.
Got all the boys up at camp.
Oh yeah, Orange Army is out hard.
Gonna be a good time. Good time. You're watching Deer Slayer TV. I'm Dale.
I'm Chip.